Decentralization and centralization can coexist in the world of crypto to some extent, depending on the specific context and design of the cryptocurrency and blockchain technology in question. Here are some pros and cons of each. Decentralization, pros. 1. Increased security. Decentralized systems are less prone to hacking or other forms of cyber attacks because there is no central point of failure. 2. Reduced censorship. Decentralized systems allow for more freedom of expression, as there is no central authority to censor or control the content. 3. Increased transparency. Decentralized systems allow for greater transparency, as all participants have access to the same information and can verify transactions for themselves. 4. Reduced corruption. Decentralized systems can help to reduce corruption and fraud, as there is no central authority to abuse power or manipulate the system. Cons. 1. Slower transaction times. Decentralized systems may be slower than centralized systems because they require more consensus and verification from multiple parties. 2. More difficult to use. Decentralized systems can be more complex and difficult to use, as they often require more technical expertise and knowledge. 3. Lack of support. Decentralized systems may lack the support and resources of a central authority, which can make it harder to resolve issues or address concerns. 4. Volatility. Decentralized systems can be more volatile in terms of price and market fluctuations, as they may be more influenced by market speculation and sentiment. Centralization, pros. 1. Faster transaction times. Centralized systems can be faster than decentralized systems because they require less consensus and verification from fewer parties. 2. Easier to use. Centralized systems can be easier to use and more user-friendly, as they often have a central authority that can provide support and resources. 3. Stability. Centralized systems can be more stable in terms of price and market fluctuations, as they may be less influenced by market speculation and sentiment. 4. Predictability. Centralized systems can be more predictable because they have a central authority that can make decisions and set policies. Cons. 1. Security risks. Centralized systems are more prone to hacking or other forms of cyber attacks because they have a central point of failure. 2. Increased censorship. Centralized systems can be more susceptible to censorship or control by a central authority. 3. Reduced transparency. Centralized systems may have less transparency because information may be controlled or limited by a central authority. 4. Increased corruption. Centralized systems can be more susceptible to corruption and fraud because a central authority may abuse its power or manipulate the system. In summary, there are trade-offs between decentralization and centralization in the world of crypto, and the choice between them will depend on the specific needs and goals of the cryptocurrency and blockchain technology.